Hello! So guys, this is in front of another class. Now, what we're doing at the moment is algebraic fractions. This is the last lesson that we're doing, and it's really much the same as everything else. You get a feel for them the more that you do them, and so really there's only one way to get started, and there's only one point that you need to know. And if you can, get rid of the fraction first, because that fraction complicates things. But for example, in this question here, you can't get rid of that fraction until you deal with the 9 that's attached. And so the first step here would be to subtract 9. Oh, my pen doesn't work. And we're back. So subtract 9 from both sides. They cancel out. Minus 3 minus another 9 equals minus 12. And so we end up with x plus 11 over 4 equals negative 12. And now we can get rid of that, because we can't do anything with that plus 11 until that 4 is gone. So times both sides by 4. They cancel out. Then we end up with x plus 11 equals minus 12 times 4. So that's minus 48. Take 11 from both sides. And x equals, they cancel out. Minus 14 minus another 11 is minus 59. Boom. And we're back again. So now the next question that we're looking at has fractions on both sides. And these are really, really easy, even though they look ugly. Because in this case, there's no pluses or anything that we have to deal with first. So what we need to do is just multiply both sides by 4. And we can actually do this at the same time. Let's multiply both sides by 3. These 4 cancel out. These 3 cancel out. And we end up with 3 brackets a minus 2 equals, 4 brackets 2a plus 5. And so, now that we're here, we just expand it out. 3 times a is 3a. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. 4 times 2a is 8a. 4 times 5 is 20. Now this is pronumerals on both sides, so let's move the pronumerals. We'll move it to this side to keep things positive. Minus 3a, minus 3a. And if we're moving it to this side, we have to get rid of these. Minus 20, minus 20. They cancel out. Minus 6 minus 20 is minus 26. Minus 8a minus 3a. Should I say 8a minus 3a is 5a. Positive 20 minus 20. They cancel out. That doesn't look right. Let me double check. And it's Brock needing to blow his nose. Sorry, I am right. That's one of my students. I don't know why he's in the video. He's certainly not getting any of my royalties. Now, so what we end up with is minus 26 equals 5a. We divide both sides by 5, and we get a equals minus 26 on 5. Or negative 5 and 1/5. It's pretty easy, and the more you do of these, the easier they become. The problem is that fractions scare people. Be strong.